Everybody's dead and the world burned down. Swallow all your gold in the flames of hell. Dancing in the fire till your face is pale. Baby, you're the king of the business ground.
I met a man of money in the Arctic Circle. Bad business, purple, fly flips in circles. Earth King, first thing, let me tie my shoestring. What's your favorite ice cream? Motherfucking lightning, double wing sky king. Death dust in my stirrups, claws from the horse make love to my syrup. Born to be better, born to be loved hopelessly. I clone clones of me, I make a broken sea. See angels flicking through gold pages, licking the wrong flavor. Everything is dangerous. Lava man, cold drips, diddle daddle, old shit. Every tab's froze, bitch. This is rock and roll. Causeless in the hallway. Do you still love me? Are you waiting for my birthday? Baby, you're the king of the business realm. I lose feathers when I fly through the gates of hell.
Everybody's dead and the world burned down.
The devil hates fat kids.
Swallow all your gold in the flames of hell.
The devil hates fat kids.
Dancing in the fire till your face is pale.
The devil hates fat kids.
Baby, you're the king of the business round.
Undercut, put your fucking bubbles up, drink your fucking troubles up, deep inside the ocean. Loving your devotion to the danger, business with the ancients, cruising on my spaceship and freight shit. Up into the innest, then it disappeared. No more fucking troubles here. Everybody's dancing on my bubbles here. Cyanide, suck on some next shit, bouncing on my deathbed, fucking with reality's reflection. I love you more than you could ever love me back. Love you more than love you fucking broken. Where the money at? Welcome to the future. Bad as fucking lucid, creeping through my cupboards, trying to jack me for the new shit. Stupid fucking useless. Level 6,000, yeah, I come sucker punch a bunch of business in the brain. Fucking number crunch devils in your underpants trying to get wet. Don't let the voices in your head say yes.